What is up, YouTube? I am here in Winnipeg, Canada, and I'm currently sitting in a place called the Assiniboine Park. This is sort of a special place for me because I grew up in Charleswood, which is the neighborhood just beside the park. So, I mean, I have memories of being a kid. I used to ride my bike through the trails in the park. I knew this area pretty well. But you know what? It's been years and years since I've been here last. The entrance of the park is pretty much how I remember it. There's always people playing cricket in that big field there. It's kind of cool. And then this building is called the Pavilion. It's sort of the main entrance to Assiniboine Park. The grass is a little bit yellow today. I guess it's been a pretty dry summer. Okay, so this here is the duck pond. When I was a kid, this wasn't built. I feel like it showed up in the last 8 years or so. Yeah, it's a pretty nice place to walk around. That guy there is kind of the classic Canada goose. Okay, what do we got up here? Oh, it looks like it's a little kind of cafe or restaurant. Okay, so I'll give you a quick Canadian language lesson. You gotta know about poutine. So poutine is French fries with gravy and a special kind of cheese, this kind of French Canadian cheese that melts with the gravy, and if you're ever in Canada, you gotta try one. I have a feeling this was here when I was a kid, but I don't remember ever going in, so. I gotta be honest, I don't remember there being a sculpture garden either, so again, this is something new for me. So the English garden, the statues, that was new for me. But Sergeant Sunday ice cream is not new for me. I've been to this place many times. Great ice cream. It's funny, you know, I grew up near Assiniboine Park, so I have lots of memories of coming here when I was young. Back then, it was just kind of the park down the street. I never really stopped to appreciate the little details. And as I've shown you today, I mean, I've never seen some of these places before. I don't think I've ever been in that English garden. I don't think I've ever seen those statues. And I think now that I've grown older and lived a few years outside of Winnipeg, I can come back and appreciate this park more. I can see the little details that I never really noticed growing up. And I think the same can be said of Winnipeg. You know, Winnipeg, it's not Toronto, it's not Vancouver, it's not the first city people think of visiting when they come to Canada. But there is a beauty to it. There's just kind of this feel you get here that you don't get in other bigger, busier cities. Anyway, now that I'm back here, I'm definitely growing to appreciate this city more. One of the comments I get a lot when I'm traveling to other cities in Mexico and other places is that people say my videos help them to see their home cities with fresh eyes. It's so important to be able to see things with fresh eyes. If you can do that, well then you can travel without ever leaving home. You can continue to be impressed and surprised by your own backyard. You know, I really got a new appreciation for my hometown today just by seeing a part of it that I haven't explored for a long, long time. And you know, I think a lot of people view their hometown as somewhere that is just average or boring or whatever, but you just gotta look a bit closer, have a fresh perspective on things. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I am Dan from The New Travel. See you next time.
That's it! Back to Winnipeg!